Hey guys, Green Leo Man here. I got another comment from a subscriber asking to see how to program the Nexa 4S. I don't exactly condone it, but seeing how Matrix doesn't seem to exist anymore, here we go. Enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so before we get started here, Matrix appears to be down. I know both websites are down and stuff like that, and you can't get a hold of Matrix. This procedure will void your warranty, so if you have a warranty through like Durand or Ride the Wind e-bikes, I wouldn't suggest doing it because they won't honor the warranty after you do this. But if you want to find out how to switch the plug and be able to program the controller, here we go. Alright, so first things first, put your panel off. Alright, now this right here in my hand is the stock main harness that comes on the votol for this car. As you can see, if it'll focus, there are wires that are on there. If you look at the plug that I replaced it with, there's more wires in there, so that's where your programming cable comes from. Just make sure you match everything up the same as it's on there. You can pin it out, you know, with a voltmeter and everything. Make sure you get all the wires exactly where they were, and then with the extra wires you'll see right here, you'll end up with these, and then you can put them out to a connector or whatever that'll plug into your programming cable, and then you can connect it to a laptop and program it like you would any other votol controller. So it's just a quick one today, guys. Alright guys, just one thing to remember: if you are going to do this, be careful. One wrong program, one wrong move, one wrong wire, and you could screw your Matrix up to the point where it won't work anymore and could cost potentially thousands of dollars to get it fixed. So just be wary, know what you're doing, do your research, and that's about it. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more great videos from my channel, feel free to watch this video right here, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you on the next one.